Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to blur faces on iPhone photos using the CapCut app. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and tap on New Project, then choose the photo where you want to blur a face. Once selected, tap App in the bottom right corner to bring it into your timeline. Now tap outside the image in the timeline to deselect it so no clip is highlighted. Then tap Effects at the bottom of the screen. Go to Body Effects and search for Blur. Select the first blur option and apply it to your timeline. Then tap the check mark or close the effects panel. Next, go back to the main screen and tap on the photo to select it. Scroll through the bottom menu and tap Duplicate to make a copy. You'll now see a second version of your image. Select the second image. Scroll the toolbar and tap Overlay. Press and hold this overlay image and drag it slightly below the original clip. With the overlay image selected, scroll across the tools again and tap on Mask. Choose the circle shape, then tap Invert in the bottom left corner. Now move the circle over the face you want to blur. Adjust the size using the white arrows and control how strong the blur effect looks using the slider. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap Export in the top right corner. CapCut will save your project as a short video in your Photos app. Now open that video in Photos. Pause it at the frame you like best and take a screenshot. Open that screenshot, tap Edit, then Crop to remove any black borders. When you're done, just tap Done. And that's it. You've now blurred a face in a photo using CapCut on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.